Anyway, this shows I'm being recorded. Try some of this video along with stuff. See what's out here. So we're just walking on the beach. Gulf of Mexico. It's St. Joe Peninsula, actually. It's outside of St. Joe's Harbor. So roughly 200 miles that way is Yucatan. That shows where we've come from. It shows my lovely companions. Finn's not complete. That's the dog, by the way. He's not completely sure about the water. What are you thinking, Finn? That's... Yeah. So we're parked down there, actually behind the white truck. At least I hope we're behind the white truck. Otherwise, we're going to have a long walk home. You can see some of the construction too. They've been still building back from Hurricane Michael, which pretty much flattened it here. There we go. And this just shows Finn enjoying his reward for a lovely walk. Dang, Finn! Is that you? Yeah! Some more? Okay, I can do that.